How to make a robot with Minecraft block. Okay, we need the robot to build needs 38 blocks. First, let's start with the leg. First, we need these two. Then this little block go taller to the leg, like this leg. Let's get started. First, start the leg first. Okay, guys, we made two tall legs. Now we need to put it like this. Okay, our leg is complete. Then let's start the body. We need the body. We need the body because it needs the body. Okay, let's get started the body next. Okay, we finished the body. Next, we need his head, like my head. Let's put it up. Okay, we put his body. Now, he look like this. Now, his eyes, like mine, we need to fill up. Like this. Give me a second. Okay, now it's done. Let's start with the hand next. First, we need this into the cover block, then niche it down. This is the robot hand. Then we need the same time to the left hand. Two hand is complete. Now we need to do this. Okay. Could you give me a second? Okay, it's done. This is the right hand and this is the left hand. Then we need to do this. I need some stick for the robot. I put it on this side. Then the same time on the other. This one is brown. Yeah, this goes done. Then now let's leg. Look, I have complete all the missions. This. Now time to put it on. You need to do leg together. And see this green line? You need to put right here straight. It doesn't break. Tight and straight. Okay, we put the one leg and then for this side, now is the hand. What was it again? The hand. Oh, I forgot. This is the one hand and this is the two hand. Look, our robot is complete. And if you like this robot, then please subscribe to my channel. I will upload more videos like this. See you. Bye bye.